Hi guys, welcome to Almo Fam. So as you see, today we are gonna give review for Mamaearth products. Actually, I'm a kind of person who don't use cosmetics at all. This is the first time I have bought all these products. So it worked on me. I also thought that I would give a review for that so people who are afraid of buying cosmetics can buy and use them. Actually, my skin is so sensitive and it can't even bear, and I'll get rashes even if I change my face wash also. But these products are very nice and it helped me a lot. I've started using Mamaearth products from the past 1.5 months. It's good and it worked on me, and I have very sensitive and oily skin, so I thought I would give a review so that people who are afraid can also try this one. Okay, let's get into what products I have and how they work and how to use them also. Let's start with face serum. So this contains both vitamin C and turmeric, which is very useful for our skin and it makes our skin glow. And you know the benefits of vitamin C. Nowadays it's very useful even for health, skin and everything whatnot. Vitamin C is very important for our life. So how to use this one? First you have to wash your face and pat dry. After pat drying, just take a pea size of cream on your hand. Just this much is enough for your whole face. Don't take more than that. Rub like this and apply on your face. See, it's not even oily. You don't even know that you have applied cream on your face. It will just dry within seconds. Okay. So you can apply sunscreen on this, or you can apply makeup on this. You can apply any cream on this. It is not oily at all. It's very useful for your face. See, it's not even oily. And the next product is under eye cream. It is very useful for the people who stare most of the time on their screens in phones, laptops, tablets, anything. I'm a person who watch more movies mainly on late nights. I too have dark circles. That's why I have ordered this product. It's nice actually. I have been using for like past 3 weeks, so it's good. It is also silicone and paraben free. You can see over here. It's mineral oil and paraben free. This product you should take like only a pea size, just like serum. That's it. It's more than enough actually. You have to rub like this and apply under your eyes. Just apply like this. It's like a moisturizer. It is also not oily. You won't even feel after applying it. So you can either apply it only at night times, or you can apply it even in morning time also. If you have more dark circles, like very dark, you can apply twice. Okay, so these products are for daily routine, and if you want to apply like any face pack or such, you need a toner to apply. So first you'll wash your face, you'll pat dry it, then to remove any dirt present on your face, you have to use the toner. It will not only clean your face but also closes the open pores on your face. So how to use a toner? So for using this, you need a cotton pad. Just put like 1 or 2 drops on your cotton pad and rub it. Rub on your skin. It will remove the dirt. See how much dirt I have on my hand. So after removing everything, then you can apply your face pack. So this toner is alcohol free, and all these products are dermatologically tested, and it is for all skin types. So you don't need to worry that whether it will fit my skin or not. I have a dry skin, I have a normal skin, I have oily skin. No need to worry at all. It will suit for every skin type. My face is like too much of oily skin, but it's better after using these products. So see, everything is dermatologically tested and suits for every skin type. All the products from Mamaearth are like this only. And this serum is both paraben free and silicone free. Even the under eye cream also. It's mineral oil free and paraben free. You can see here. Okay. And the next product is Cocoa face mask. I felt very happy after getting this one because of the smell it comes when I open this one, the aroma. It's very nice. See, coffee and cocoa, you literally feel that you're drinking coffee because of this aroma. And even, see even the color, it's like a chocolate ice cream. It's very nice actually. So you will get this kind of spatula to take the quantity of how much cream you need to apply on your face. So just take the amount of like how much you want to apply both on your face and neck, and take from the spatula and just apply on your face. That's it. apply like this and let it set for 20 minutes and wash it off. While applying face packs, don't apply serum first. Just wash your face, clean it with toner and then apply face pack. After washing your face, then only apply the serum. Okay. So for the best results, you can apply it for twice a week, not more than that. If you're too busy, you can just use it for one time a week. But it's very nice, and after applying it, you'll find a little glow on your face, and if you continue using for at least 3 months, you'll find a difference also. So spare some time, put some face pack and feel better. Okay, this is for morning routine. And the final product which I am using is vitamin C sleeping mask with aloe vera. So you can use this one which has aloe vera in it, and it is a little different. You can see the gel kind of thing you have here. See the gel kind of face mask. For this also you can use the spatula. Take the amount how much you want to apply on your face and apply it and leave it overnight. Don't wash it after 20 minutes. Apply it on your face and wash it off in the morning with lukewarm water. Don't wash with hot water, just use warm water. And the night time, before applying this sleeping mask, apply the face serum and then apply this mask. So for the morning routine, don't apply the serum before mask, apply it after washing it. But for the night time, apply the serum first and then apply this mask, leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. This one also, it is for just 2 times a week. You can see the difference if you follow all this routine at least for 2 to 3 months, because everything, what do you do, even exercise or diet or any beauty routine, it takes at least 2 to 3 months for our body to adopt. So try it for 3 months and you can see the difference. The products are not too costly. It's like 700 or 600 for 100 grams like that. But it will come for more than 4 to 5 months if you are using like weekly twice. I'm using it for like 2 months, but still I have a lot of product left in it. So you can afford it because it's like one time in 4 months or 5 months like that. So guys, this is the review on Mamaearth products. Actually, this is not a promotion video. I just wanted to do it for people who are afraid of buying any cosmetics and using them. As I have benefited from this, I just wanted to share my experience. And the products in Mamaearth are not so costly. You can afford it because it's like once in 4 months kind of thing. I have bought like before 2 months. I'm still using it, and still there is a lot of product. I can use it for 4 to 5 months more. And if you want to buy it, you can buy on Wednesdays. They are giving many offers on Wednesdays. They'll give cashbacks if you have any scratch cards in PhonePe or Google Pay also. That's it for today guys. If you have liked our content, please like, share and comment below if you want any other products for review. We'll do it for hair care products too. And if you haven't subscribed our channel till yet, please subscribe too. And thanks for watching. We'll meet you guys in next video. Bye bye.